Objective of this PPT is to cover the what is the basic of BIM and how to use in industries, what level of BIM they are used. Okay, but the BIM means it is the different definition by the different standards of codes. Okay, for generally the BIM 8536, this is the code which are using. The as for the BIM BS, the generation and management of digital representation of physical and functional characteristic of places. Okay, and with different as per the what they are Autodex and what is the National Institute of Building Science. General what view of that one, it is the process of carrying out visual construction before the start of actual construction on site. Means it is started from the this is the renovations, so programming, conceptual design, detailed design and analysis, documentation, fabrications and construction 45D and construction logistic and demolition and maintenance, the operation and maintenance going to the demolition. This is the whole process is called the BIM. Next, what is the BIM? What is the I is stand for the information in the digital format. In the construction project information can be followed the these are the things. So the 2D and 5D graphic details, scheduling of quantity and material, drawing like GFC sheets and video rendering of projects, attributes and 3D scanning informations. This is the different dimension, different service workflows are the BIM. This is the 3D, 4D, 5D, 60, 70. It is for example 3D. It is the existing conditions modeling. 4D is scheduling, 5D estimation, and 6D is accessibility, and 7D is the facility management applications. In India, we are generally using the until 5D. What are in as my previously we are working in super communication corridor. We done for the 5D. That is the what level of detail we need required for the during the on live projects. Generally, we are using the 3D to LOD 300 to 400. But whatever the LOD 100 is the conceptual level we are using details. It is the LOD means level of details. How much level we are going to the you needed for the what detailed design levels. This is the LOD 100, LOD 200, LOD 300, LOD 400, 500. In this based on that LOD 100 we are conceptual level detail we are going to providing. LOD 200 approximate geometric design we are going to the providing. LOD 300 we are going to the construction modeling model for the element suitable for that. LOD 400 500 is the more detail we are going to the provide for that. We share the PPT after that in PDF format. You can go through that one. Okay, and general concept why I'm using this building, because it is easy to understand what is the final outcome of BIM modeling. Generally when we consider the building, we have the architecture model and we are going to use a structure model and MEP model. MEP model, this is the coordinate model, all these combined. After that again we have the coordinate model, 4D and 5D. 4D planning, that is how much day what
Anil, your voice is lagging up.
Sorry, now it is okay. Hello, can you hear me? Hello,
Hello.
now
Yeah,
can you
your
okay?
voice is lagging. Yeah. Now it's okay.
No, okay, sorry, sorry for that. Okay, 4D planning, 5D is quantity. This is the total combination is called the BIM benefits. Okay, and the means BIM model, what we benefit we get. What is the benefit of BIM? It is as you know everyone is to reduce the timing and to effective cost effectiveness and we speed up the work progress and reducing the cost construction cost around 10 to 20 percentage of cost and better controlling project. These are the benefits of the BIM. Okay, hope you understand what is the basic of BIM. You
Yeah.
have any question on this?
So coming to the point is that the BIM which you are telling, it's completely related to the building side, or we want to into the infrastructure side?
Infrastructure side, yes. During the civil 3D we start na. I will
Mm.
show you what is the level of surface we needed for the road for LOD 200 LOD 100 means what in surface, for example, surface, what level of detail we require for that. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
LOD 300, that I come to when I start that each and surface level. Na? If I
Mm.
start the surface, at that time I will showing what level of LOD we require for the surface, and for
Okay.
the alignment, what level of that one.
Okay,
Okay,
right.
why
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
why I'm explaining this one is that this is the easy to understand everyone. That's
Yeah.
why I show that one.
Okay,
Hope
right.
you understand.
Yeah, yeah.
I want to explain this brief. As you know, both of us experience in highway field. That's why I just briefly into the explain this one. How do we step use the what are the software and what level they needed? What is the process of that one? Okay, as you know, the preliminary studies and all these things. After that, when we come to the detailed design or then the DPR preparation, we get some the import drawing, that the import survey. What survey, which type of survey we need to analyze before come to this importing the civil 3D. What level of, for example, we are going to the road level, then road data, what is the level of resolution. Nowadays we are using the leader survey, what level of resolution we require, 2 centimeter, what level of resolution we require, and how much the ground controlling point they given, what is the temporary benchmark they given, we need to check that one. And if a traditional survey, in the traditional survey, as you know that when the temporary benchmark is there, how much temporary benchmark on the, what are the data they need to, they are covered for a, within a existing ROW, what proposed, and these are all details we record for that. Once we get the data, we need to check the what is the elevation of that roads. If it is any variation, we need to rectify, and we can approach the surveyor what their data and what are the data they generally shared with us. Mean this is the in leader survey we get dem file and DTM files and contour elevations with respect to how much you are contour interval you record every 10 meters interval or 30 meter or 50 the 50 centimeter intervals of contour interval they share, along with the point file if you record point files, and along with the topo data. Means topo data, it's only the AOE of your project, and along with some major structure details they are shared with us, and and different what is the tree details. In India they given the tree details like what is the girth of tree, what type of tree it is, under forestry department we need to approve before going to the cutting that one. These all detail we need to rectify before importing the civil 3D. Once import the civil 3D, we need to segregate the data. What is the ground point is segregate, electrical full points is segregating on that with the help of civil 3D. Once segregate the data, and we create the surface with the help of generally surveyor is given the different form of files. Some people are given the counter elevations, counter files. Some people are given the point files. Some are given the 3D polylines. Based on that, with the help of we can create the surface. Okay, within the surface we need to check the, if you want to propose to a new alignment, then we need to check the elevation analysis. Otherwise we need to propose the existing only, we need to improvement. That case we not necessary to improve analysis the surface. Once surface is completed, then we come to the horizontal alignment. Once horizontal complete, when we go to the vertical alignment. Okay, in horizontal alignment, before we are going to the in civil 3D, you need to take care of your preparing the DPR. That case, as far as your client suggested, you can consider the design speed, carriageway width, shoulders, and road width, median width, super elevations. It is also again based on your urban. It is urban project or non-urban project, means rural projects. Okay, it is as per the, your standards, which country you are supporting for that. For horizontal and for vertical alignment also same things, based on the Indian standard codes or other country code, you need to design the vertical designs. Okay, in that case I will just because I am experienced in urban road as well as national highway projects and wind projects also, na? Generally in what my experience in vertical horizontal alignment and vertical alignment, na, generally in urban road we are restriction supervision is 4%, not more than 4% also. We restriction 2.5 or 3%, that camber what is that one. Otherwise in rural roads we are going to the restriction more 4%. We can avoid as per the codes, because our vehicle speed is very high. but when come to the wind and solar project, wind project, we are allow up to 20% of vertical slope. It is it is not in code, but is in ground reality. They are taken. They are designed based on that vehicle configurations. Okay.
But
This.
nowadays, even for this SMART and NHI, they're implementing the express highway, I think.
Yes, express highway.
Yes,
Yes.
and the speed is getting changed. I hope slightly they are modifying the codes also, I think.
Yeah, nowadays my I work last in national highway super communication corridor project. That is 150
Mm.
km speed, Mumbai
Mm.
to Nagpur road.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that 150. We researched on that area. Slope is only sorry, super elevation. We researched 4%, but
Mm.
however, that is the 6 lane roads what we
Mm.
provided.
Yeah,
Okay.
because they're changing the codes and everything
Yes, yes.
now.
2022, they changed lot of codes. Huh? Assistance and advance. In this case, we cover all these things. What is the panorama? What is the drawing, setting geological units on that, mapping big datas. Okay,
Mm.
how to set out that data, and new
Mm.
shortcut of folders. How to shortcut the folder. How to create the surface, create the references. How to create in data
Mm.
shortcut.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah, yeah. This
this is
is
the
the thing. Yeah.
yeah. We have three scheme. That's why. Uh, that's why. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, and in this point we cover the.
This syllabus I didn't get. I think so, Mr.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Rakib.
It is cover everything in that, but it is in detail for. We are going to the layout of alignment, alignment geometric. In this is there is the two element method. As you know that things. One is the elemental method, another is the PI method. Okay. In
Mm.
both case, we are explain that how to then on adding of curve, transition in out, and adding of station equation. What is the station equation? I will explain. Okay, an alignment creation with the different mode, creating offset with profiles. Okay, how to automatically offset profile will added, and creating the widening and connecting of alignments and the edit of alignment properties and curve labeling and tables and everything we cover in alignment. When I come to the supervision, actually after the profile and corridor we are going to the supervision, but technical wise we some point we explain in this early stage. After that we again go to that one supervision terminology, super wizards and hand on. Okay, after that profile, in profile what we done, overview of profile, how to bandwidth we are creating independently, how to import the bandwidths. Okay, what are the element you need to add, and how to show the crossroad in profile. Okay, we show that one, that superimpose of profile, each profile to another profile, how to superimpose. We are going to that one. Again when come to assembly in civil 3D, how to modify the assemblies, that we show that one, modified the civil 3D assembly. When come to corridor, I will corridor, you know that how to generally they create the corridor. Parallelly, we are showing how to points are running, point coding are important, how to the line code, how to surface coding is important, how to it is impact on your quantity. Okay, how to hide the wherever the if you in between is bids is coming, how to hide that quantity, and wherever the skew area is coming, how to take the quantity on that area. Okay, we show that all these things.
This sub-assembly you have told, no? The sub-assembly is you create by P-line method or by the code method?
No, no, code method p line
Okay.
method is no use na.
No, no, that I asked you.
Yeah, yeah, I will come to subassembly composer also.
No, I asked.
I will show you some subassembly composer how we done that one. Okay,
Okay, no, yeah.
level crossing, how to corridor visualizations, corridor feature. I already explained orally, and the baseline and region, and then the sample line and how to cross sections on that one based on everyone you know the sample line. What is the side how to check the side distance? We show that one also. Along with the quantity extractions, there is the two quantity extraction. One is the earthwork quantity, another is the payment structural quantity. How to they extract the quantity? How to create your own labels? We are showing that one, and plan and productions, how to do the plan and production. And in vehicle tracking system generally, what I am working with is some other countries also like Greece, South Africa, and that also vehicle tracking system, they are only the user analysis. They are no one is asking any report on that. I have my understanding. And when I come to the subassembly composer, see subassembly composer, everyone you know subassembly composer and the dynamo. Dynamo not part of this training, but I will tell you, these two things are we need to work hardly, because
Mm.
in civil 3D we can get somewhere in online on that one, some but in subassembly comes quite difficulty, because it is only purely based on R&D. We done lot of that stuffs
Mm.
we share some stuffs, and you work yourself on that.
Yeah.
Okay. And in subassembly composer, if you want to need some lane assembly hand on, we given the shoulder assembly hand on, daylight hand on, we work on that all these things. Okay. And how to import, the mainly how to import the Google Earth to civil 3D, and global mapper to civil 3D, and InfraWork to civil 3D, civil 3D to InfraWork, and export to civil 3D to Google Earth hand on. And again AutoCAD, land XML, how to import, how to InfraWork and Navis work. We just introduce you introduction of that, but we are not on not more than 10 minutes on that. Just how to empower work is there, how to Navis work they were in, perform various types of reports. This is the end of that one.
Mm.
Hope you understand everyone. You have any
Yeah.
questions on that syllabus?
Yeah, one point about the junctions.
Yeah, junction designs, it covers around this is that is the intersection, so alignment on that. Parallelly we can cover one, if it is stretch of alignment na, it is cover
Mm.
junctions and curve area, everything we include in single alignment.
Even the bus bay, rest area, toll plaza.
That is toll plaza, you need to create a model in info, that is in Revit, then you can import on that.
No, but in this we can get the lane, no?
We can get
Uh,
the lane, yes, yes, we can get
that's what. While doing the corridor,
uh,
while we run the corridor, how we give the junction design and the bus bay in the same pattern, we can give the even the toll plaza, right?
see, in we are working in live project in super communication corridor also, na.
Hmm.
What we done generally, we import from this import
Mhm.
from the Revit, and we given the separate file for that. We are not, but we can indicate
Mm,
where
no,
that coming that one.
the location we show on the plan and profile,
Yes, yes,
but
we can show that. Yes,
oh,
yes.
but when now, for example, if this two four lane is running out
Hmm.
and the toll plaza is at some chainage, the carriageway width automatically keeps changing.
Yes, yes, yes. That's the automatic.
Uh,
Yeah, we show that one.
that is what.
Like 2 lane to 4 lane, 4 lane to
Yeah,
2 lane.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah, we show
yeah,
that one.
yeah.
That is I
That's what.
mentioned. I mentioned some near widening. He's talking about widening. I will show you. We mentioned that one. Corridor editing baseline frequency as build a corridor and baseline add supervision splitting 1 second. I mentioned that all these things. Offset and width target. See,
Hmm.
elevation target also I mentioned.
This is what the
Yeah,
main
yeah,
things, because
yeah, yeah.
that we develop everything in detail separately. Toll
Ah,
plazas there
that
is
is different.
another,
Yeah,
that
yeah.
is another project.
Yes.
But when we come on the designing on the highway, this thing to be shown out, right?
Yes, 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 yes.
That's what.
Can I show some assemblies now? If
No,
you,
it's okay. You can
yeah,
when the time comes, you show those things. Not
yes,
required
yes,
now. Now, what is covering? Let it go. That's all.
yes. If you want to add any, some, we are in our organization, we have one option. If you
Mm,
want to some assemblies, you need to prepare. Means 5% is of syllabus we can add if you want. If you need this point is required for in civil 3D,
mm,
so in subassembly composer.
mhm.
Total overall, we only the 5% we can add. We have that
Okay.
flexibility.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. After that, just I want to show the subassembly composer, some what level we done.
Mm,
Yeah, this is the we done some work, myself and Nadik. We jointly work some organization the before viaduct, how to interchange lane one to lane two, and this is the what roads and tunnel we done. Okay, the width
mm,
varying. And this is the how to. This is the we are given the target how to it is varying on that properly. Okay. This is what we done. Level of detail we done.
Okay.
This is the this is done in civil 3D also.
So you,
But hello, hello, can you hear me?
yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah,
tunnel.
yeah.
We have some assemblies tunnel, but we show only the 10 meter stretch only, because it is take a lot of time and huge civil 3D will go to crush
Yeah, yeah,
very
yeah.
the corridor level, and what is the intersections and what is sub assemblies median lane assemblies, how to be done that one. Okay, apart from that real assemblies I will show you. See, this is the in super communication corridor we done this median. Okay, in
Submerged.
yeah, see how they want to when before we start na, we requested we sit with the client what they what is the technical what are the ts is there na, typical cross section from what stage to what stage they needed some media,
Mm-hmm.
their median is will be varies based on that curve areas, and on that
Yeah,
case
yeah.
what we done this is the edge of the that boundary we can attach, automatically it will be flexible. Okay, median is
This will use it for shoulder. This is for express highway.
yeah, super communication corridor project.
And that's a submerged median, I think so.
Yes, yeah, that's one. See, huh? Next,
Mm.
apart from that, we show something other. This is the cut and filling. What I show in
Okay.
drawing, na. This is the
Yeah,
how
yeah.
it is going on. That literally, it is the difficult project
Yeah.
myself, and
This for hilly
uh,
terrain, I think so, right?
yeah, hilly terrain. Yes, yes, yes. How berm is
Mm.
automatically taken after that again. More go that one. Everything
So
we
at some height, it keeps on changing.
yeah, yes, keep on changing. We given some standard slopes, see drain
Mm.
slope. Literally, it is good work when Mumbai organization there, they are very appreciated this assembly when I we work on that.
Mm.
This is
So,
how drain is working on that. Okay,
mm.
hope you got clarity on
Yeah,
first.
yeah, yeah.